Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Audi Q4 Sportback e-Tron concept.
Wow, I really like this new concept. It looks sharp, it looks extremely powerful. What do you like most? Let us know in the comments below. And to find out why this car looks that fantastic, here's designer Philipp Römers with all you need to know.
This is the Audi Q4 Sportback e-Tron concept. It's a Q, it's a Sportback. It's an e-Tron. From 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an electric Audi. The inverted phase. An electric car needs less air. So we were able to close our famous single frame. We covered it and brightened it up and put it into a black mask. It's a Q model. We have big wheels, short overhangs and strong quattro muscles on top of all four wheels. The slim cabin sitting on the wide shoulders, this Sportback roofline and the position of the spoiler. This is not just looking very sporty, it helps to reduce the drag coefficient. The interior fits perfectly to the sporty exterior. Bold 3D applications, augmented head-up display. It's heavily driver-oriented. And so this car combines in a perfect way nice aesthetics with efficiency. I'm really looking forward to see this car on the road.
Good point, Philipp. A beauty like this is just made for the road. So let's have a look. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have the same burning question than me. Will this beauty only remain a show car? Now let's ask the CEO of Audi himself, Mr. Markus Duesmann. Hi Markus, and thank you for joining us at this world premiere today. I want to know from you, will the Q4 Sportback e-Tron concept make it into series production?
I also really like it, and I'm convinced so will our customers. It will go into production in less than a year, and so 2021 will be a very exciting year for the e-Tron models. The Q4 SUV and the Sportback will be delivered to our first customers in summer 2021.
That's amazing news. I'm sure that a lot of Audi fans will be very excited. Now, what role does the Q4 e-Tron play in the electrification strategy of Audi?
This car is a cornerstone of our electrification strategy. Sustainability remains non-negotiable for us, and we are certainly sticking to our CO2 targets. Therefore, we want to inspire more people to choose electric cars. The Q4 e-Tron and the Q4 Sportback e-Tron are important steps in this direction. They will be our first premium electric volume SUV and a gateway into the progressive premium segment. In addition, they are based on the VW Group's MEB platform. This means we are using the group's full power and entire technical experience for a new electric Audi.
Thank you, Markus, for these insights. All right, guys, this was the latest launch of an Audi electric model, a car that has the best of three worlds: Q family, Sportback, and e-Tron. I'm already looking forward to the next Audi world premiere. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.